Hi there, little coder. I am Robo, your new coding buddy. Today we are going to learn something super fun called HTML. This board is empty, right? But guess what? We can tell the computer what to put on it. With what? HTML. HTML is a way to give the computer instructions. It's like saying, hey, put a title here. Draw a picture there. Write a fun sentence. Look, I just typed this h1 tag hello and tada! Now the board says hello. That's HTML in action. Let's add more. If I type p tag I love dinosaurs, the board writes the sentence for me. Yay! Now let's add a picture. With this code, img tag, src is source, dino.png, our dinosaur friend shows up. Rawr. Want to change the background color? Let's try. I just write the code. Whoa, everything looks so bright and cool now. Let's put it all together to make a real mini web page. A blue background, a big title, a fun sentence, and a picture of my favorite animal, the panda. That's how HTML built a web page. You did it, little coder. You just learned how to use HTML. You can write words, show pictures, and make your own web page. Keep exploring the building fun stuff. Robo always here to help. Bye for now.